And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxing. So right now we have another double unboxing episode. Here we have the 30 minutes mission extended armament vehicles. As you can see here, we have the horse mecha version and of course the cannon bike version. So as you can see here on both in the box arts, they are used for 30 minutes mission. But ever since 30 minutes fantasy came out, I am thinking it might be also compatible with them. But hey, let's see. And let's unbox them. So but before that, let's see at the cannon bike version first. So here it is, off to the side. So I'm not sure. Yeah, you just get one, but I think if you buy two, you can make it into this one here. Yep. And you see the 30 minutes mission robots using it. Off to the side, some more information and the assembly of this cannon bike version. And then for the box of the horse mecha version, yeah, so it's being ridden here. Off to the side, it's fully articulate, and of course if you have some parts, or rather some part swap here, you can make a centaur. And I can see the spinacho here, the ninja version, I guess. Yeah. And if you combine with another extended armament vehicle, it can be a Pegasus. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, some more information here. And now let's see and take a look inside the boxes of these two. So first off, the cannon bike version first. Wherein we have one bag with two screws, a clear part, and some parts of the gun, and a huge sticker sheet. Another bag here for the armor, and I guess for the tire. And of course the instruction manual. So I guess if you're going to build this, is just it's just only this one, the one wheel mode. But if you're going to get a or want a two wheel mode, you have to buy two of this. Wherein if you buy two of these, you have the two wheel mode and a Roy mode. Hmm, should have bought two. Alright, so that's what's inside the box of the Canon bike version. Now inside the box of the mecha horse mecha, so one bag with three screws, a clear colored green over there, and of course another bag here for the parts of the horse. Though I don't see what screw or part that makes it a center. Anyway, and you can see here, yes, we have the instruction manual, and I'm guessing it will be around here, wherein it tells you to swap out a part. Yes, here we go. Yeah, this part here, you swap out and you move the head, put it here, and it becomes the connection for the torso of this one. And of course, since you can make a center mode, we can make a half man, half horse also. Pretty neat. Okay, let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Okay, so first off, we have the SME1 here, which is gray parts. We see a part for the wheel, the gun, and some inner framings of the cannon bike. Of course, it has an E2. Again, this part is replicated and some more extra parts here. It also has the F1, which is the armor part of the cannon vehicle. And then we have the F2, which is a clear purple plastic, which will be the cockpit. And then a sticker sheet here. I'm not sure why it's this big of a sticker sheet, wherein you can only use this one and this one. But then options. Yeah. Okay, so for the Mecha Horse, we have here the N1, which is, I guess, some parts of the head is here, some parts of the body is here, so that's the N1. It also has the N2, where now I am starting to see legs for the horse. Of course, it has an N3 with some duplicate parts for the legs, and I guess this is for the extension part, where you can make it into a centaur. Yeah, I hope so. We have the O here, which is for the cockpit of the horse. And we have some PC7s here. Yeah, so that this will work as connectors. And there you have it, Llama fans and folks. That was what's inside the boxes of the Cannon Bike version and the Horse Mecha version of the extended armament vehicle for the 30 minutes mission. And this is Miko saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing them, commenting, liking, and until next time, see you and thank you.